We're making a high-protein berry smoothie that is packed with nutrients, bursting with flavor, and a delicious way to start your day. We blend frozen berries for fiber, cottage cheese and protein powder for protein, and chia seeds and almond butter for healthy fats. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes made with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make this smoothie, you'll need a high-speed blender, and we're going to start by adding our milk. Now, my favorite option is using an unsweetened vanilla almond milk, but you could use any milk that you like. So I'm going to start by adding 1 cup of milk. And then for our berries, you could use fresh or frozen, but I recommend using frozen because then they make your smoothie nice and cold. And it's really convenient to buy the bags of frozen berries and then be able to store them in your freezer. So I'm going to add 1 cup of some frozen berries. And then to make this smooth and creamy and increase the protein, we're going to add some cottage cheese. Now, you could also use Greek yogurt, which is a great option, but I have found that it's a little bit tangier, whereas the cottage cheese is a little more subtle, and I prefer this flavor. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. And for even more protein, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of protein powder, but you could use any powder that you like, or you could even omit it if you prefer. I like using a naturally sweetened vanilla flavor protein powder, and I've included a link in the video description below if you'd like to check it out. And then to add even a little more protein as well as some healthy fats, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, as well as 1 tablespoon of some almond butter, which makes it even more creamy and delicious. And add some really good healthy fats, which means you're going to stay full longer. Then we simply screw on the lid, and then I'll let this blend for about a minute until it is smooth and creamy. And then we have this gorgeous purple smoothie that is rich and creamy and looks so good and is ready to enjoy. That is so good. I love the combination of the flavor coming in from the berries and then getting that smooth creaminess from the cottage cheese. And I also love the flavor that comes in from that almond butter. This is so satisfying and is perfect for before or after a workout, or as a quick breakfast or even a lunch. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel just as good even after I enjoy it. And I want you to know that I believe in you and your ability to eat those healthy foods that are going to leave you feeling fantastic from the inside out. And I want to support you in any way that I can. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link to this full recipe, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.